Isn't it frustrating when you have big financial dreams, but they feel too far away to even start? Maybe you want to save for a big down payment or finally build up a rock-solid emergency fund. The good news is, Acorns makes those big goals feel immediate and achievable. This is your simple, step-by-step guide to setting financial goals right in the Acorns app and putting your money on autopilot to reach them. First off, let's get into the app. On the main dashboard, you're looking for where your money lives. This is usually your Acorns Invest account, your Acorns Later Retirement account, or your Acorns Checking account, which often includes a section for emergency savings. Now, Acorns doesn't always have a single button labeled Set a Goal for all their products, but they give you powerful, goal-focused tools. For a specific savings target, like that emergency fund or a new car, you'll typically be looking at the Acorns Checking section. Many Acorns plans offer an emergency fund feature right here. When you go into that area, you'll be prompted to set a specific dollar amount as your target and a time frame. Acorns will then use these figures to help you automate deposits and visually track your progress. It's like a motivational progress bar for your cash. For long-term, wealth-building goals, like retirement, you're focusing on your Acorns Invest or Acorns Later accounts. Acorns helps you set these goals indirectly by guiding you through an initial set of questions about your age, income, and how long you plan to invest. Based on your answers, they recommend an expert-built portfolio that aligns with your goals' time frame and your comfort with risk. A younger person saving for retirement 30 years out can afford a more aggressive portfolio, while someone saving for a down payment in 3 years will need a more conservative one. Once you have your account and portfolio set, the real goal-setting magic comes from automation, recurring investments. To set this up, go to your Money Hub or the Invest section and look for Recurring. This is where you connect your goals to daily action. You simply decide how much you want to invest, say, $20, and how often, daily, weekly, or monthly. This consistent contribution is the engine of your long-term goal. Finally, don't forget the original Acorns superpower, roundups. Every time you spend, your spare change is automatically invested. Turning this feature on is setting a tiny, daily goal that works in the background, making every swipe of your card a step toward your future. Whether it's setting a target dollar amount in your emergency savings or committing to a weekly recurring investment toward retirement, Acorns helps you break down massive goals into simple, automatic steps. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.